Good morning students. Now in this video I am going to explain how to insert different types of themes in your PowerPoint slide. Students, the version which I am using of PowerPoint is 2019 and the version which is given in your book is 2010. So some options will be different from your book, but it will work in the same way. I will explain you how it will work. Okay, so let's start. First, open a presentation which you want to edit, or open a new presentation which you want to make. Save your file. It's very important to save your file first, because it will help us to edit our file in future. I will save my file in the desktop. You can give another name to your file, like I am writing new presentation. Then click on save. After that, for applying themes, I will go to the insert design tab. Click on design tab. Here you can see the ribbon. The look of the ribbon is different as from the look given in your book. You can find all the options here easily which are given in your book. I will show you how. Let's choose a design from this drop down menu. Click on this drop down arrow. Then from here we can choose different types of designs. Let's choose this one. So the theme is now applied to my slide. Now I can change the color, effects, font styles according to my choice. For that I will go to the variants group, and here I will click on the drop down arrow. ये जो options है, the options like color, fonts, effects are also given in your book, page number 75. You can find these options inside the variants group. Okay. From here I can choose different color patterns for my slide. As you can see, the left side, the design of this, the color of these designs are changing. Now it's yellow, it's blue. We can select our own color patterns from customized colors. Click on save. As you can see, the color of our themes is now changed. We can add different effects also. Again, click on this drop down arrow. Go to the effects. Here you can find different types of effects for your slide. Let's see the font option. Here you can find different types of font options, like, let's use it again. As you can see at the background, the font is changing. Let me change the alignment of this so that you can see it clearly. As you can see, the font style is also changing. You can easily change the font style from the home tab as well. You need to use this option. It's not compulsory, but you can explore it. The next option is background styles. Let's click on these. These are the different thumbnails available. I told you now what is a thumbnail. From here we can choose different types of styles for our background, and here you can see an option that is format background. Let's click on it. As soon as we click on the format background pane will appear at the right side of the window. From here we can choose different types of backgrounds like solid fill. In solid fill we can choose a particular color for our presentation like this. I don't like this color, let's change it. Okay. Then gradient fill, like I told you, in gradient fill we can use different combinations of colors. From here you can choose different colors. Color 1, let's choose red. Color 2, let's choose orange color. Color 3, let's choose yellow. And color 4, let's choose white color. And now we can drag these pointers to set the color of our background like this. See how beautiful it is. You can easily use different combinations of color in gradient option. Let's choose another color. Let's make a combination of green colors. Dark green, then light green. As you can see, this is a combination of green and yellow colors. It's also looking very beautiful. Okay, so these were the options of gradient. Next is picture or texture fill. You can add different pictures, or you can choose any texture which is available in the PowerPoint. Let's see different types of textures like this one. These are the different types of textures which you can add in your slide. Next one is pattern fill. These are different types of pattern which you can choose for your slides. Like these are small dots, large dots, bricks. These are different patterns available. We can choose the color also. Like this, we can choose different types of colors. Okay, so these were the options which you can use for editing the background, for editing the themes according to your choice. I hope you must have understand all these options. Make it very clear that the options which are given in your book are slightly different from the options in this video, because the version of your the version which is given in your book is old version, and I'm using the latest version, that is 2019. You can find all the options in the old version as well. Just explore this ribbon very nicely if you can't find any option, and you can also ask me. The options like color, fonts and effects which are given in your book are available inside the variant group here. Color, fonts, effects and then background styles. So I hope कि आपको कोई problem नहीं होगा. So okay students, bye bye, take care and practice these practicals at your home and send your work regularly to me. Okay, bye everyone.